Hey there, how's it going? Today we are going to go over how to draw a skull, a very simple cartoony skull. We're going to use a marker and hopefully you enjoy this tutorial. So let's get going. Anyone can do it. So Halloween is here, or coming. So I'm going to make a square. Another square. Triangle. A kind of rounded box shape around all of this. And leave it open there. Stair step down. Stair step over here for the teeth. Fill this in. Make sure to fill those in very well. And that's pretty much it. It's the easiest skull that you can draw. Very simple. It doesn't have the lower jaw, but extremely easy skull. If you want to throw a lower jaw, you can. Draw these Lego-like shapes in that lower part of the jaw. Thank you so much. That was a very simple skull for Halloween, and we're going to be drawing every single day until Halloween. Okay, guys? Every single day we're going to have tutorials, so subscribe, like this video, and share it somewhere. Thank you so much.